Hey, is that friendly? Let's go, guys. Let's go.
Hey, is that friendly straight ahead?
Hey, fire coming in on the left. Up at,
that's our team, that's our team.
Up on that hill.
That's our team, let's move.
Keep moving.
That's our team.
Not these guys.
Get my rear guard set up! What do you got, guys?
Watch, you got guys up on the hill.
Shift fire. Smaller guys, go through the ring. You go through the ring. What's up? Okay, I got some more guys back here though. You guys, go. You guys, go. Let me get the rest of you guys going. Go.
Hit!
Let's go. Come on. Keep moving. We need to get up on that shield.
Hey, medic.
Oh shit, hit.
Medic!
You got a medic with you?
Hey, we need a medic. For who? Him. These two.
We got Are you down?
No.
Well then grab him and drag him over here.
Hey,
Yeah. Hold on, I'll get him. Hey, cover me, I'll go get him. Okay, I'm down to 3. Hold on. 3.
watch it. There's guys right along this right here. Sorry.
Okay.
Those are guys. Are those ours?
Those are ours. Those are our guys.
Okay, watch that. That's a friendly. I'm gonna come around to that tree over there. Be careful, he's hot right in that alley. Hold on, I'll get you covering.
Watch yourself.
There he is right there. No, he's there.
Go.
You need to get forward fast.
I wouldn't move.
You can see him right on top of the hill.
Moving left.
Oh, he's hit. Sorry. Hey, do we got the crew over there?
Those are our guys over there. Come on. Get a good angle. Pistol guy, what do you see?
Go, Grant, move.
How many guys should be down here?
Well, we took out the 7.
Oh, movement 12.
Hey. There, guys.
Move up. Go. Move. Green. What the hell he is? I got him. Green. Engage. Okay, you got the one directly. Move. Let's go. Right here in front of us, you green or red? Watch the bird. Friendly.
Someone watch right. We need 2 people looking right.
Let's go, let's go.
Great intel. Okay, we need a big push up front. We gotta get back to the crash side. Who's the pilot?
Can we get pushed this way?
Okay, so we gotta get back to the plane.
Get him back to the plane. All right, let's move. Let's move.
Follow the creek. Hey, and this targets are real close.
All right.
On top of their contact, their engagement distance close.
All right. Danger close, guys.
Oh, hit.
Hit.
Hit. Hit. Hey, the contact area. Pull back. Get a medic.
Hey, sweep right. Sweep right.
Coming.
Come on, I've got a flag on my
Hey, God damn it.
Going through the creek.
Medic.
Hey guys, we need a medic over here. I got you. Cool.
Dude, hope your rifle doesn't get touch me.
It's like an inner square.
Oh, so I didn't
Jay
think
talked
it was
about
a
turning into a parking lot here.
Oh.
Is everybody pushing that way?
Lance, where you at?
No, it's across to the left. What you got over there?
There's about 2 guys crouching down. Could be popping. Here we go.
I guess we're rolling back.
There's nowhere to go back. Hey guys, watch it.
Yeah. Would any of you back playing? Someone got the survivor. We didn't know we got to come back. Hey, y'all green up top. I need y'all to push that way, okay? Keep firing those guys so we can move up. Go, move, double time.
Guy laying down. Hey, one moving left.
I just buy ammo. Ammo drop.
Austin, keep crawling. Let's move up.
Stay low, guys. Stay low. Stay low. Hey, look at your 2 o'clock in the trees. Other side of the tree.
Where they at?
All over.
Stay low.
Straight up.
Stay low, big man.
Hey, where's our medic? Oh, come on, did they leave?
Medic!
Sorry, man. Hey, man, I'm sorry, man. Huh. I'm gonna drag you a bit farther than I should. Right up here. Duck under. Careful. Hey, where's our medic? All right, friendly coming up.
Grenade. You got